So hello and welcome back guys, it's me Shishui back with another video, and in today's video we are going to fix and improve our badge system. First of all, we are going to create the profile command, but this time it is going to be advanced. So you have to go on to your profile.js, this is our profile command, and instead of this text and cringe bullshit, we are going to make a profile card something like this. So let's get started. So first of all, I have some code already ready. I'm just going to copy it, and let's go on utility and create a file called create profile.js, and we are going to create our profile card. Simple thing, we're going to do module.exports is equals to async, and we're going to add some variables. First of all, we will need the avatar URL, and we will need the username as well, and we will also need the badges. So we are going to do badges, and that's it. And now let's get started, I guess. So first of all, let me just remove this bullshit code because we no longer need most of it. I'm gonna just remove all of this shit. And yeah, so first of all, you will need to install Canvas, which is already installed hopefully, and then you are going to install this package for our emojis. Please install it. And then we have to do the main thing. We are creating a canvas, and this thing is some dynamic stuff which is going to create your automatic rows and stuff. And then we have our context, and then this ctx.fill style. It is like the background color. You can just totally remove these two lines if you don't want any background. Otherwise, you can change your hex code color to anything. Right now I'm using black because I don't know why. Then we have our image. We are loading the user avatar image, and make sure it is a PNG image, otherwise you will get an error. Then we are drawing that image, obvious thing. And then comes the username. We are adding the username like whatever the username is provided. And this is the text color. I'm choosing white because white is good over black. And then we are filling the text, and then comes the main logic. It is a for loop in which we are drawing each and every damn badge, and at the very end we just have to do return canvas dot to buffer, or we can just use promise, but it is fine like this as well. It is totally fine, trust me. And after all of this, our create profile command is completed. Now we have to go back on our profile.js, and let's get started, man. What are you guys waiting for? So as you can see, instead of str this time we're gonna do badges. It is going to be an empty array, and we're gonna make it empty obviously. And here what we are gonna do is we are gonna just grab this thing, and we are gonna do control plus x. And here instead of all of this, we are just gonna do wait a second, we will do badges dot push, and we're gonna push the stuff. And let me just search for something. I just want to make sure if I don't have any other variable named badges. Yep, we don't. All right, cool. So now at the very end we have to do something that is it is fine like this. And in image we are just going to do image. It is going to be a URL that is going to be attachment / profile.png, and then we're going to attach a file. I don't even know the spelling of files, man. All right, then we're going to do new message attachment, and we are going to load our stuff. First of all, we'll do await create profile, and we're going to provide some data. Username, it is going to be equals to, I don't really know what. It will be this user dot username. Avatar will be user dot display avatar URL. Wait a second. And then format is going to be PNG. And dude, I did so many typos right now that I have a fucking error. That is really disgusting. Why the hell I have an error? Oh shit, man. I don't know, man. I need more brackets. Yep, it is fixed. Alright. So after that, we have everything. We are creating the profile. We are creating the message attachment, and then we have to name the attachment, and that will be profile.png. And now our profile command is ready. That's it. Our profile image is created, and we sent it to the fucking user. And we can do few more thingies. Let's think about it, man. In our badges, okay, let's do this. Okay, it is fine. Now let's move on to our badges command in our owner section. First of all, if you guys remember, in our last command, the created at thing was undefined in our badge thing. So we are gonna replace that thing to this. We are gonna send the timestamp like this. So please just copy it out. And yeah. And by the way, let's remove this part. It is totally useless. And we have the same thing right here as well on line number 183. So just copy this out, and we are done. And now we're going to create a command which will give us the list of available badges of the bot. So we are going to create another option. It is going to be called list, and then we have to choose some stuff like type. It is going to be 1 because it is a sub command. And then comes the description. It will be get the list of badges, and then we don't need any option, we just have to return them the list of badges. So what we're gonna do is, in this case, first of all, let's find our else if thing, the last one. We have a lot of else if command, and then we are gonna add this else if option is equals to list. So if user is trying to get the list, and then we just have to return the list. I'm just gonna do const what the hell, const, I don't know, const badge, badge is equals to await badges dot find, and we are just finding each and every damn badge, and we are just going to send some data. So what the hell I'm supposed to do now? Well, we can create a image as well. Well, we will not create an image, let's do this. I'm just gonna do I will do let str. Well, by the way, let me go to my profile command, and we have our old code, if you guys remember. Let me just control plus Z, give me a second, man. Alright, so let me just copy this code, copy, and control shift Z once more, because yeah, I will just paste this code and I will show you some cool tricks. So we have our string, and then we are gonna do, instead of this, we are gonna do badg.length, and instead of bg, we are just gonna make it like badg bracket I, and that's it. And then we're gonna do string plus equals to this name and stuff, and we will also provide the timestamp as well. So I'm just gonna do, I will do this created at, and then we have to do this this dollar bg dot created at. So we are done. Now we just have to send a simple embed. I'm going to do interaction dot edit reply, and we're going to send the embed, and it is going to have some stuff like title, badges. And by the way, let me just grab this part, copy it, and add this. If badge dot length is equals to 0, then we're going to do return, and boom, this dot do not have badges, and then we're gonna do color will be red, and at last we are gonna send them the list of badges, badges of the bot. You can change the text if it's an obvious thing, and description is going to be str, and that's it. And now we just have to do some testing, and then we are done. And let me just open my Discord, give me a second, and welcome Dennis Code to the live stream. And yes, I'm recording this video while doing a live stream. That's really weird, but that's how it is. And yep, I'm still recording. That's really good to hear. That's really good to see, to be honest. And let me just open my main account, and we don't have any error. It's so good, man. There are no errors. Everything is going well. We have a lot of mentions, but I will ignore those for now, and then let's get started. So first of all, we have the slash profile command, and let's look at this. What do we have? Okay, beautiful. We have an error, cannot read property. Okay, man. So guys, I'm sorry, it's my mistake. We have to go on our profile.js, and in this thing we also have to provide the badges, and we forgot. That's a big blunder. So for that, I'm just gonna do badges, and we are done. How the hell I could forget a fucking parameter? That's really interesting. But anyways, please work, and let's hope it will work. Otherwise my videos, it's kind of dead. Okay, it works. Peace. Alright, so you can see it works. It did show my image, my name, and my badges, and amazing. And after this, what do we have to test? Let's think about it. After this, we have to test our badges space list. What the hell? BADGE badge space list. Yes, this thing. And let's look at this. Please work. And yeah, we have all the badges, and we have the timestamps, we have the name, and you can see our commands are working. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I will meet you later in another video, and this video is less than 10 minutes, so it is really amazing. And please let me know if you have any suggestions. Till then, bye, and I'm gonna record the next video right now. Otherwise, yeah, stop. Bye.